Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapeeth Rahuri, one of the premier agricultural universities in Maharashtra state, established on 29th March 1968, that renders services to farmers and other stakeholders through education, research, extension education and skill development. The jurisdiction of MPKV Rahuri extends to 10 districts of Western and North Maharashtra, which includes 5 agroclimatic zones in this jurisdiction. The university has made remarkable achievements in the field of education, research, extension education and skill development initiatives at national and international level during the last 54 years. The university offers various educational programs through its 1 postgraduate institute, 14 constituent and 64 affiliated unaided colleges. University also provides skill-based diploma through lower agriculture education. MPKV Rahuri is providing world-class amenities to students for their education like smart classrooms, best research field, laboratory facilities, well-equipped library, e-library, skill development and personality development of the students. Since inception, the university has produced more than 1 lakh skilled human resource in the field of agricultural education. Besides, our university is having various national and international linkages with various foreign universities. The university has implemented a prestigious project on climate-smart agriculture and water management under National Agricultural Higher Education Program through ICAR and funded by World Bank, amounting to Rs 20 crore. Research. Now let's look at the research component of the university. The university has contributed significantly in the area of research by developing 280 varieties of crop plants, 40 farm implements, more than 1653 recommendations and 3 patents registered since inception for the benefit of farmers. MPKV has also registered pure breeds of cattle Khillar, goat Osmanabadi and Sangamneri, sheep Deccani and buffalo Pandharpuri, and Phule Triveni cattle breed with NBAGR Karnal. Recently, an indigenous cattle research and training center has been established in Pune. MPKV developed varieties of pomegranate, sugarcane, chickpea, rabi, sorghum, paddy, onion and acid lime have contributed to the tune of Rs 2,40,000 crores in the state economy. There is a huge demand from the farmers for the university-produced seed, seedlings, grafts, pesticides, biofertilizers, micronutrients and other products. MPKV is in the forefront of conducting research in new crops like fodder cactus, dragon fruit and quinoa crops. These crops will be alternative crops for the farmers of the region. The university has conducted pioneer work in the field of drone technology. Extension. Extension education is one of the important mandates of the university. The Directorate of Extension Education through its various units like Agricultural Technology Information Center, Regional Extension Centers, District Extension Centers, Communication Center, Krishi Vigyan Kendras and College Extension Blocks performs the pivotal activity of transfer of technologies and collecting feedback. The Agricultural Technology Information Center is a single window delivery system where more than 1 lakh farmers visit the center every year. MPKV has established the innovative concept of Farmers Scientist Forum. The university brings out informative publications like Krishi Darshini, Shri Sugi, MPKV Calendar for farmers. In the era of Digital India, MPKV has developed many apps for the benefit of the farmers. University has developed an informative website for extension personnel, students and farmers. Information related to new generated technologies is available on University YouTube channel, Facebook and Twitter. The university is implementing the ICAR Farmer First program for upscaling and outscaling the appropriate technological interventions to enhance the farmer's income. The university and its projects have been honored with various awards. The university is marching ahead under the able leadership of Vice Chancellor Dr. P.G. Patil. Thus, the Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapith Rahuri has made the spectacular progress in achieving its mandatory goals of education, research and extension over the last 54 years. The MPKV family is ever working for a better future of students and farming community.